Is there anywhere? Ooh. Here's a couple of little things from Do It Yourself. This is called Don't Ask. You know what? You know I said that? Well, obviously it isn't that, because, I don't know what the hell I'm fucking talking about. This is called Sink My Boats. I've got the feeling, but I ain't got the skills, and I don't like your suggestions. Feeling to ask it was over here is another stupid question. What you know that I feel disrespect? Ask me why, and I'll change the subject. But it has no effect. My reply is that I've been shipwrecked. Try to be sly, but you're so overt, and you know the main objections. The passion and pressure that you exert in the opposite direction. But you try to behave evident. Now you stay, but it's time that you wait. Don't mistake me with your blandishments. 3 old maids have had an accident. My pride. Justified, but it has no effect. My reply is that I've been shipwrecked. See my bones once again. See my my friend.